In this second module, we will explore reproductive health as it relates to hospital care. Reproduction here refers both to the biological processes of human reproduction and the systematic reproduction of health outcomes through effective hospital services. We will cover reproductive biology, maternal and neonatal health, hospital-based reproductive care, ecological influences on reproductive health, and sustainable practices in managing reproduction within healthcare systems. Section 1: Basics of Human Reproduction. Human reproduction involves biological processes where genetic material from male and female parents combines to create new life. The hospital plays a central role in ensuring safe reproductive health by supporting fertility management and counseling, prenatal and antenatal care, assisted reproductive technologies such as IVF, safe childbirth and maternal care, neonatal intensive care for vulnerable newborns. By providing these services, hospitals protect both individual and community reproductive health. Section 2: Maternal and neonatal care in hospitals. Hospitals serve as critical environments for maternal and neonatal health. Key elements include prenatal care, monitoring fetal development and maternal health, labor and delivery services, providing safe spaces for childbirth with skilled attendants, emergency obstetric care, handling complications like hemorrhage, obstructed labor, or preeclampsia. Neonatal care units, supporting premature or critically ill babies with specialized equipment. Here again, hospital ecology matters. Cleanliness, infection control, and safe waste management are essential to protect vulnerable mothers and infants. Section 3: Assisted reproductive technologies, ARTS. Modern hospitals also provide assisted reproductive technologies to address infertility challenges. Examples include in vitro fertilization, IVF, intrauterine insemination, IUI, hormonal treatments, surrogacy support. These procedures require sterile environments, advanced equipment, and ethical safeguards, making hospital ecology critical for success. Section 4: Ecological influences on reproductive health. The hospital environment affects reproductive health outcomes in multiple ways. Air and water quality. Poor quality may affect pregnancy outcomes and neonatal survival. Exposure to chemicals, disinfectants and pharmaceuticals can disrupt hormonal balance if mismanaged. Microbial environment. Infection risks are especially high in maternity wards, requiring strict hygiene. Psychological environment. Noise, stress, and lack of privacy may hinder safe reproductive experiences. Thus, ecological management ensures reproductive health services are safe, efficient, and supportive. Section 5: Sustainability and reproductive health services. Hospitals must balance quality reproductive services with ecological sustainability. Some strategies include reducing medical waste in maternity wards, using renewable energy to power neonatal intensive care units, promoting eco-friendly sterilization methods, designing birthing centers that are both patient-centered and environmentally sustainable. By integrating ecological thinking into reproductive health, hospitals ensure both current and future generations are cared for responsibly. In this module, we explored reproductive health in hospitals, covering maternal and neonatal care, assisted reproductive technologies, ecological influences, and sustainable practices. We saw how hospital ecology and reproductive care are interconnected in ensuring safe and sustainable health outcomes. Course conclusion. This course on hospital ecological and reproduction was divided into 2 modules. Module 1 introduced hospital ecology, explaining the hospital as a complex ecosystem, its components, infection control, and environmental health. Module 2 examined reproductive health, focusing on maternal and neonatal care, assisted reproductive technologies, and the ecological dimensions of reproductive health. Together, these modules show that hospitals are more than treatment centers, they are ecosystems where health, environment, and reproduction intersect. By understanding this, healthcare providers can create environments that are safe, sustainable, and supportive of life.